Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chu on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a raw vegan wrap. This one is so easy, it will come together super quick, and it is delicious. Just a few ingredients. Now I looked on the internet because I really wanted to make a wrap, but I didn't really have a recipe of my own. So this is kind of a conglomeration of a bunch of different people. I just kind of took what I liked from certain ones. And for me, recipes have to be easy. If they have a bunch of ingredients, I'm not gonna make it. If there's too many steps, I'm not gonna make it. So if you're like me, this will be right up your alley. This one's also gonna be one of my dehydrator recipes. I'm in love with my dehydrator. And this is how the wraps will come out. And they're very flexible, and I'm super excited to make a wrap with these. But let me show you how we do that, and let's get started. So the ingredients I'm going to be using is I'm using about 3 carrots. I've got some dates, I've got some golden flaxseed, and I have some spices, smoked paprika, garlic powder, salt, and onion powder. And I know it sounds weird to add dates to a wrap, but it doesn't really come out that sweet. It's interesting. And I like the balance of the spices. So I'm going to chop up these carrots and put them in my food processor so I get a really fine mince on the carrots. And the reason I have to cut my carrots up is because my food processor is old and it just makes it easier work for it. I definitely need a new food processor, but if you've got a nice new one, you probably won't have to do this step. So here we go. Let me show you how minced it is. See, it's pretty fine. So now we're gonna take 1 cup of these carrots. We're gonna put them in this bowl. And I totally lied. We're going to put them in the Vitamix. See, I get confused too. So 1 cup of the minced carrots going to go in here, along with the dates. And then we're going to add 1 cup of water to get this all blended up. I know it sounds weird to add water to something you're going to dehydrate, but trust me, it works. Now we'll just pop it on here and blend it up. Once that's all blended up, we're going to put this in a bowl. And to this, we're going to add the rest of our carrots. Ground flaxseed, and our spices, and then we're going to mix it all up till it's all combined. So now we're ready to put it on our dehydrator rack lined with some parchment paper. So we'll just put some on here. And using your offset spatula, you want to spread it out. So I'm just going to spread this out till about a 1/4 inch or so thick. And then these are going to go into my dehydrator at 115 degrees for about 6 hours. And then you want to flip them halfway through, or actually flip them at about 5 hours, and then cook them for another hour, hour and a half till you get the consistency that you like. So I'm just going to continue spreading these out. So these are ready to go into the dehydrator. I really want you to take your time smoothing these out. You don't want them too thin, especially around the edges, because when you flip them and peel the paper off, you don't want it to tear. So like I said, we'll dehydrate these for about 5 hours. Flip it over, peel the parchment paper off, and then they'll just go straight on the rack and go for about another hour, hour and a half. So I'm gonna put these in and then I'm gonna come back and then we're gonna make a wrap and I'm gonna show you how I fill it. So we are ready to put this together. So here's my wrap. You can see how pliable it is. Okay, so what I'm gonna put in my wrap is I've got some avocado, I've got some hummus, cucumber, red onion, red bell pepper. I grated up a red beet. I've got some shredded carrots, some tomatoes, and some shredded broccoli. So we're just gonna, oh, and some spring mix. So what I like to do is I like to spread hummus over the whole thing. And this is my oil-free hummus. I can link to the recipe. And you wanna get this all over the whole thing. And this is gonna help it stay closed. So you wanna make sure you get some on the end here. So just a nice little layer on here. Then I start building it from the edge. I put a little avocado. And I don't have it go all the way to the end. I just do maybe halfway. Then I just start adding my veggies. So I'm gonna do a little shredded carrot, a little bit of the grated beets. It's so pretty. Oh God, I love it. Little cucumber. Little red pepper. Red onion, of course. Just gonna kind of sprinkle that all around. And you just kind of have to judge how full you want to make it. A few little tomatoes. And then my slaw, my broccoli slaw here. I think I'm gonna add all the carrots. Why not? Just hope it closes and doesn't break on me. Okay. Then I just finish up with some spring mix that I've chopped finely. And that's just gonna go over the whole top. Like that. Get this out of the way. Then we're going to roll it up and pray. Just kind of tuck everything in. Oh my gosh. Amazing. And let's cut this in half. And there you have it. Look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. So let's put this on a plate and give it a taste. So this is the moment of truth, the taste, because it's all about the taste, right? So I've got all my goodies in there and I'm gonna give it a taste and tell you what I think. Okay, here we go. Absolutely freaking amazing. I love it, and I love my dehydrator. What I love about this is it is 100% good for you. There's a million antioxidants in here, maybe not a million, but a lot of antioxidants, phytonutrients. This is gonna stick with you. It's gonna heal your body. It's gonna heal your gut. It's gonna get you going through the day. I mean, there's no oil, there's no gluten, there's no animal products. It's just all good for you. You can feel so good about this. And it is delicious. So give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell so you are alerted every time I upload a video. Until next time, thank you.